Good evening, and welcome to the October 21st edition of Good Taste Gwinnett, powered by Jackson EMC. I'm Anthony Rodriguez, co-founder and producing artistic director of the Aurora Theater in Lawrenceville. And I'm excited to partner with the Gwinnett Daily Post to present to you once again cooking demonstrations and recipes from many of the great restaurants and food establishments in and around Gwinnett County. If you've attended in the spring, welcome back. If this is your first time watching, welcome to Good Taste Gwinnett, powered by Jackson EMC and presented by Publix Aprons Cooking School. We had hoped to have a live tasting event this fall, but circumstances did not permit that to happen. However, we're excited to invite you to once again cook along with us tonight and next Thursday. All recipes can be found on goodtastegwinnett.com, and we invite you to grab your ingredients, your spatula, maybe your kids or spouse, and join us in cooking some delicious recipes from chefs all around Gwinnett County. If you registered, you are eligible to win some amazing prizes. We will be giving away these prizes during our presentation, so watch to see if your name is posted at the end of each edition. If you win, you will be notified via email after the series finale. We're excited to add this late addition to the already amazing prizes we're giving away. 2 pairs of tickets to see Alton Brown live, Beyond the Eats, coming to the Fox Theater in Atlanta, March 2nd, 2022. It's not too late to upgrade your free registration to a VIP ticket package. When you do, you will receive 2 very special gift bags, including special offers, coupons, logo items, and restaurant gift cards, as well as 2 tickets to Fernbank Museum of Natural History, a ticket voucher to the Gwinnett Stripers, a Chick-fil-A gift card, a free appetizer from Marlowe's Tavern, Local Republic, and the Sugar Hill Distillery, special offers from Uncle Jack's Meat House, a $10 certificate to Love & Florist, and for this fall edition only, when you pick up your VIP bag, you'll receive a $25 gift card to Belk Mall of Georgia. VIP packages are only $40, and proceeds benefit local food pantries. As a VIP ticket holder, you will also be eligible to win even more prizes, including small kitchen appliances and even a trip to Christmas at Gaylord Opryland. You may upgrade at goodtastegwinnett.com. There are a limited number of these ticket packages, so make sure you check it out today. Before we start cooking, I want to introduce you to our partner that makes this all possible. April Sorrow, Vice President of Communication at Jackson EMC.
Thanks, Anthony. I'm April Sorrow with Jackson EMC, and we're thrilled to be back for another year of Good Taste Gwinnett. We have been partnering with the Gwinnett Daily Post for 16 years to bring you this great food event. So this year we're joining you in your kitchens with some local chefs who are going to prepare some delicious recipes for you and your families. But Jackson EMC has a history that's much longer than that, with bringing you great food in your kitchen with the power of electricity. So in 1938, when we first brought electricity to this area, cooking with electricity was brand new for so many people. So we actually had to teach people to use electricity to cook food. It was the first time people had baked a cake using an electric oven, fried chicken using an electric cooktop. So for us at Jackson EMC, this is nothing new for us. So we're thrilled, of course, to have this partnership with Gwinnett Daily Post. We're glad to be here in your kitchens tonight again. And we're just proud to continue to celebrate that rich tradition that we have in bringing you good food to your home. And actually, every month when you receive your Jimco News, you'll notice that it has a recipe that's provided by one of our members. And that's a tradition that we're really happy to continue every month. And we encourage you to submit your recipes to us here at Jackson EMC. Every month we do pick a winner and publish that recipe and then share it with the rest of our membership. So we encourage you to send those recipes to recipes@jacksonemc.com. Tonight, you're going to hear some great recipes. We hope that you have your list and you've done your shopping and you're ready to cook alongside some of your local chefs. When you registered for the event, you became eligible to win lots of great prizes, including this beautiful Breville oven, which we will draw for in week 2 of this event. Jackson EMC is thrilled to sponsor the grand prize every year, and we are so excited to give away this beautiful Breville oven.
Thank you, April. And thanks again to Jackson EMC for powering tonight's culinary event. I want to take a minute to also thank Publix for being the official grocer and Belk Mall of Georgia, the official retailer for Good Taste Gwinnett. I also want to thank our supporting sponsors, including Fernbank Museum of Natural History, the City of Lawrenceville, Gwinnett County, Chick-fil-A Backstage Tours, Gas South District, Gold Over America Tour coming to Gas South Arena October 26th, Gwinnett Solid Waste presenting America Recycles Day on November 6th, and of course, Aurora Theater. For those of you that have purchased the fabulous VIP tickets that are available, thanks to our VIP sponsors, including the Fernbank Museum of Natural History, Chick-fil-A Backstage Tours, Lovin' Florist, Live Healthy Gwinnett, the Gwinnett Stripers, Holt Camp Heating and Air, and of course, Publix Aprons Cooking Schools and Jackson EMC. I'm coming to you tonight from Aurora Theater, home of the new Lawrenceville Arts Center opening at the end of October. It is my pleasure to accompany you this evening as we visit Publix Aprons Cooking School, Marlowe's Tavern, Local Republic, Uncle Jack's Meat House, and Sugar Hill Distillery. I hope that you took the opportunity to download the recipes we will be preparing tonight. I was fortunate to be able to cook along with most of our chefs this fall, and let me just say, you are in for an amazing time. Of course, you can watch the show again at your leisure after tonight on goodtastegwinnett.com. Now, before we begin our culinary journey, please watch these brief messages from our sponsors.
At Jackson EMC, innovation is an ongoing cycle, a process without a beginning or an end, where one idea leads to the next. Solar power, electric vehicle programs, energy-efficient right choice homes, automated switch technology. What we do as an industry is vital. We keep communities powered. So we must always have an eye on the future. Jackson EMC, innovation for today, innovation for tomorrow.
All right.
Mom, Dad, I'm a pescatarian now.
Okay.
So pescatarian.
Dude, come on.
Get the groceries you need when you need them. Curbside pickup at Publix, powered by Instacart.
How'd it go?
Spaceman said there'd be ice cream.
Oh,
Forgot your toothbrush.
ice cream. Got it.
That was a spaceman, baby. Woo!
Get the groceries you need when you need them. Publix delivered, powered by Instacart.
Friends, welcome to the 2021 edition of Good Taste Gwinnett, powered by Jackson EMC. Today, we're here at Local Republic with my good friend, Chef Julian Bray, and we've got some incredible dishes that he's going to cook up. Julian, tell us a little bit about what we're going to do today.
We're going to do a grilled pork belly, marinated, and then served with a scallion salad and lettuce wraps.
People aren't really sure about what to do with pork belly. It's not exactly bacon, so they're not sure how to prepare it. Can you talk to us a little bit about the preparation you're going to be doing, what to look out for, better ways to prepare it, what's unique about pork belly?
So you can cook pork belly a lot of different ways. You can cook it for a long time, as in braising. Today we're going to do a really quick cook. We're slicing it very thin and then just grilling it fast, and it'll be ready in 5 minutes.
You marinated it for a day or so, or?
Overnight for 24 hours in soy sauce and sake.
Okay, great. Well, let's get started.
So we're going to start by making our sauce. We have here some gochujang and miso paste.
Gochujang and miso paste. So gochujang is a Korean condiment, Korean hot sauce, just like a day-to-day condiment.
Right, it's a hot pepper paste.
So that looks like a very small amount. How hot is it?
It kind of depends on your own taste. I don't think it's very spicy, but others may disagree. So we're going to do just equal parts in here of miso and gochujang.
And that's a white miso paste?
This is a white miso paste.
Okay, so you don't want a whole lot more color in it than you're already getting from the gochujang.
Correct. And this is just fermented soybeans that have been pureed. It's pretty salty, and these are both pretty thick paste, so we're going to add a little water so we can just mix them together.
Okay, just to dilute it a little bit. Fantastic.
Get those things moving around.
Is that all that goes in there or anything else?
This is it. And
That's it.
you'll learn that you don't need anything else. This is just a delicious thing you can make really fast that just put on anything, chicken, pork, put it in your ramen noodles at home.
By the way, let me just say, I love Thursday Ramen Night here at Local Republic. If you all haven't tried it, you really should. They do an amazing ramen. It's different every single week. It's absolutely fantastic. Just want to make sure it's stirred until it's smooth, no lumps, none of that.
Right.
Great.
Quick little easy sauce that I keep in my fridge, and I wouldn't cook this, it'll burn.
You put it after.
Put it on after.
Okay, all right.
Right, so we're gonna make our garnish salad, which is gonna be a scallion salad. So start with a little garlic. Here's our lime juice here, just about a tablespoon.
Super simple.
Sesame oil.
Very nice. It's going to give it a beautiful, nutty Asian flavor.
Just a little salt and pepper. But don't forget the chili flakes just for a little bit of heat.
Oh yeah, we want the heat. Bring the heat. Julian, bring it.
Let's mix that up just a little bit. That's good to go. We got our sauce, our scallion salad. Here's our lettuce wraps.
Lettuce wraps for later.
Now we're ready to grill the pork belly. So I've had this marinating for 24 hours. If you don't have time, you can always just do it for an hour. So they're about a quarter inch thick, kind of like some thick cut bacon.
Okay.
And this is 1 part sake, 1 part soy sauce, some ginger, garlic, and chili flakes. I've just blended it up and poured it. This pork belly is skin off.
Good to know.
We're gonna, be cooking it quick. You don't want to have the skin on, or it'll be kind of chewy. But this cooks up really quick. You can do this, on your grill in your backyard. Not everyone has this fancy char grill at their own house.
Me and the crew will be happy.
This is just going to take about 2 to 3 minutes on either side.
So you're not timing anything. What are you looking for as you're deciding if it's 2 or 3 minutes?
I look for that nice crispy ends. The grill marks are very important to me. You'll see the meat and the fat start to curl against the grates. That's when you know it's time to flip.
Okay.
Because you want that nice crispy texture. You want the char and the grill marks. And you're not worried about overcooking or undercooking, because these are just so thin, and it's just a really fast cook. You'll see those nice lines. We're gonna flip these guys, let them go for another couple minutes, and they're ready to take off.
The smell of this is absolutely incredible.
These guys are ready.
Chef Julian, this looks absolutely spectacular. That is an amazing portion of pork belly. And I can't wait to dig into this because, it's Good Taste Gwinnett. So my favorite part of the show, the tasting part, will be up soon. And then I'm going to get to let you all know just how incredible all the food here at Local Republic is in this amazing pork belly dish. Today, we are at Local Republic here in the historic downtown Lawrenceville with Chef Julian Bray, who has created this incredible pork belly dish for us. Now, Chef, tell me a little bit about how I should eat this.
The best way to do it is just right in your hand. You're just gonna wanna.
Okay, so we grab a lettuce wrap, a good, decent sized lettuce wrap, right?
Just grab a piece of pork.
Okay.
Go for it.
All right.
A little sauce is right on the pork belly.
All right. This is the Gochujang sauce. It's kind of spicy, so we'll just put a lot.
Just a lot. Got a little kimchi.
Do you have a favorite way that you fold these, or just however it works?
So I think it's a little disrespectful if you can't eat this all in one bite. That's a joke, but just kind of wrap it up in your hand. The lettuce protects it, and just go for it.
Wow. That's really amazing. Gochujang it's hot. It's not super hot, but it's got such depth of flavor.
Right.
And then the kimchi added to it, really, really a nice touch. And then that scallions and that sesame oil, just really delicious on top of all that, really brings it all together. Chef Julian Bray, thank you so much for having us. This has been an incredible experience. When I see you all again, we'll be cooking. Thanks, Chef Julian, and thanks to Local Republic right on the square in Lawrenceville. If you don't know, they also own Strange Taco up the street. Stop by the next time you are on the square.